All right, I'm making scrambled eggs with tomatoes. Classic Chinese home cooking. Hot wok. I'm gonna turn the temperature down to low now. I got some eggs that I just scrambled. 4 eggs. Big pinch of salt. As long as your wok is preheated properly, eggs don't stick. We're gonna kind of half scramble those. Put them right back in the same bowl. Right back on this heat. This is another one of those super quick wok dishes. I have a recipe for this in my book, although I'm not doing this exactly the way it is in my book. There's many, many different ways you can make this. About as many ways as there are to make, an omelet. All right, gonna reheat that wok. A little more oil. And I'm gonna go in there with some minced garlic, a couple cloves of minced garlic, 2 slices of minced ginger, maybe like 4 or 5 scallions. Now I've got a few Roma tomatoes, 3 Roma tomatoes that I chopped, and then I had some leftover pico de gallo in my fridge. So it's just chopped tomatoes, onions, a little bit of cilantro, and some chilies that were mixed together with salt, and I figured those would actually go pretty nicely. It's a good way to use that up. It'll all meld together with this scrambled egg and tofu dish, scrambled egg and tomato dish. So we're going to cook those tomatoes down just until they break down a little bit. Oh, I got this like crispy noodle cake going on over here. Let's see if I can flip it. Crispy on both sides. That's the other dish we're having for dinner. I'm probably not going to shoot it on video though. All right, so we're looking for these tomatoes just to break down. Trying to get there. All right, so once it starts to get a little bit juicy like that, I'm going to start to season this. Pinch of salt. White pepper. You can do black pepper if you want, or no pepper. A couple spoons of sugar, maybe about a teaspoon total. A little pinch of MSG, which you can do if you want. You can omit if you want. I don't care. I like the way it tastes, so I add it. Dash of Shashing wine, a couple tablespoons. A little dash of soy sauce, a couple teaspoons. Secret ingredient, a little squirt of ketchup. And yes, you will find plenty of Chinese recipes and households that use ketchup in this dish. It's not something I made up. All right, we're looking good and juicy here. These are some nice looking tomatoes. All right, now teeny bit of a cornstarch slurry just to thicken this up slightly. That ketchup is pretty thick. Tomatoes have plenty of pectin, so they're going to thicken up on their own. So you don't need really a ton of cornstarch, just enough so that it's kind of saucy and not soupy. All right. Eggs back in. Just going to break those up a little. That is pretty much done. Donezo. This on a bowl of rice. It's comfort food. You can, of course, pour this just directly over a bowl of rice. I'm going to serve it in a bowl with some rice on the side. Mainly because we were trying to get my son to eat a little bit less rice and more other stuff. Yum, yum, yum. Come on.